Come along now, fluffy ones. Steady pace, watch your step on the cobbles. We're almost there. There you go. See? Nothing to be afraid of. It's just a little treat for my best customer. We're almost there. Just a little more scrubbing behind the ears and you'll be the cleanest pig in the whole county. Look at that shine! I told you the lavender rinse would work wonders. You are officially the fluffiest alpaca in the county.
All right, hold your horses, or ducks. This thing is heavy. But look there, water on tap. Enjoy, gentlemen. They said it couldn't be done, but look at me now. The bravest and strongest delivering the clearest water in all the land.
Whoa, steady there. Here you go, blockheads. Try not to slip. Presenting Super Grow, guaranteed to make you the healthiest donkeys in the county. Enjoy!
9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Keep that rhythm steady, like a metronome. Left, diagonal, right, and glide. Excellent, my young friend. Simply excellent.
Looking sharp, boss. Always a pleasure.
It's easy, just like this.
I don't know. Oh, wow!
Way to go.